Okay, so now we're gonna make a video on how to actually change the TXV, or the expansion valve, as you may call it. We already made a video on how to recover the refrigerant, so you can watch that. And now he's taking out first the little Schrader cores in there. So I'll do a close-up right now when he's done pulling that thing out. And I will be the one doing the brazing, just because he's still a little young in the game, I should say. All right, took him out. So there it is, right? Took the little core out. Took that core out. I don't know if you can see that one, but there you go. Took him out. So now we're gonna go to the next step, which is to unbraze that valve off, and the filter dryer as well. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and unbraze. Gonna hand that over, Mr. Ariel still. Oh, I think I'm almost out of gas on my lighter. Mr. Ariel's gonna go ahead and hold the camera because he's still young. He's still a young lad. We'll go ahead and start unbrazing this bad boy. Technically on the old valve, right? I'll tell you when you gotta put pressure on it. Not yet. Technically on the old valve, you don't have to baby it. You don't have to worry about burning it because it's already bad, right? That makes sense? Mm-hmm. That's why we're not even really covering it right now. I'll tell you when I'm going to rest. You're doing all the work in the world, it won't matter. Looks like I'm out of a saddle, dude. Maybe we can get this brazed, but I'm gonna have to go get. Alright, go ahead and come up. Still hard? Okay, we'll give it another second. Go ahead and come up. There you go, a little bit more. Come on. Come on, man. Two hands. There you go. Don't let it. Yeah, don't let it touch because it'll re-weld. Don't let it touch till it cools down. You were like, I can do it with one hand. I was like, all right, bro. We'll see.
Shoot, man. I thought I could.
You're not that guy, pal. You're not that guy. Alright, I think I need to go change out this thing, bro.
Alright, bro.
Yeah, this thing's about to shut off. Settling's almost out. So, change out that tank.
You want me to pause it?
Yep. Oh. Pause it for a second. Alright, so we changed out our tank. Again, time to get rid of this bad boy. Alright, bro, go ahead. Straight up. Come on, there you go. Don't let it touch. And careful because it's real hot, so don't burn yourself neither. Alright. So the rest of it is going to be a little dangerous, so we're going to shut the phone off, or it's dangerous to have a phone in one hand, so we're just going to put this phone on. Alright, so we got that out of there. You get the point. This video is not really to show you how to braze. You should already know how to do that. So that's why I'm not going to go through the process of that. But as you can see, we undid that portion, and you see the hole where the old cap tube was, right? Where are we at? See that on video here? There it is. You see it right there, right? So you gotta, unsweat that or unbraze it. Okay, so now we're gonna put the new TXV back in. We're gonna put the TXV, the new one, in, and then after we braze that one in, we change out the filter dryer. And again, I'm not gonna show you all that because you should know how to braze before you even do this. So, all right, now we start to re-braze this bad boy on. think I got it. Use it back. There we go. Can you get back a little bit? Looks like. Okay. You got it right there. We're good. There we go. Okay. We got that one. Whew. Yeah, you might move it around. Alright, that's how we do that. And we do the rest of them. Alright, you can stop. Alright, so got that bad boy brazed in. He's getting his gauges back on. Very important. Right now, we do not have the Schrader cores in yet. Alright? It's okay because of the nitrogen, when we check for our leaks, it can go in there faster, and it can also be removed faster when we are done leak checking. So we're going to go ahead and fill it up with nitrogen now to 350, and it's got to hold for, you know, about 10 or 15 minutes. We'll check our brazes with bubbles, and then we'll go from there. So go ahead, bro, go ahead and connect now your, remember your charging hose to your nitrogen there. And with these open, they have to be open, which they are. And this one closed because we're not ready. You can open the tank. Go ahead and open the tank. Got that on there, nice and tight. And you can open the tank. Go ahead, open it. All right. So now I'm opening this one up till it gets to 350. Okay. So tell you when. It's almost there. Almost there. And there we are. Okay. So now I shut that off there. You can close your tank. It's hard, yeah, because it's under pressure now. And then you can take off your hose, and it will shoot out a little bit of nitrogen. That's normal. But it looks like we went a little bit over 360. That's fine. It'll hold for 10-15 minutes. And then we'll check, make sure it didn't have leaks. Okay, so it held. We checked for leaks, and now we're gonna go ahead and release Ariel. Okay, you're not gonna miss nothing. All I'm gonna do is release what's in there through that same charging bell. Okay. Release all of it. It's just nitrogen. Now that we did our leak check with our nitrogen, released it, now we can I put the cores back in that were there, very important. And now we have all of them are open now, Ariel, okay, including your evacuation line that was closed before. You remember that? So now we just watch this go down to below 500 and hold there. Then we can go ahead and charge it up. Alright, so we've been at 290 for a while now, under 500. So now that we've been there for a while, we're gonna go ahead and turn off. First thing we gotta do is shut off the gauges. So go ahead and go close them up. Yep, all of them. Very important step right here. Shut them all nice and snug. Okay. Now, everything's snug right there, right? Yeah. I'm gonna check for you. Now, we can go ahead and shut off the machine only now. All right. Let's switch. And we can go ahead and get this out of here. Take this off. Disconnect it. Unplug the power. And now we go ahead and recharge. Alright, so unit's running. We put 3 pounds in with another tank. Now we got a new tank. So this thing takes 4 pounds 14 ounces. So we got another pound and 14 ounces to go. I'll probably round up to 2 pounds, you know. It's only 2 ounces, so that's probably what's in these hoses right now. Probably not, but you get it. We can round up to 2 pounds. It's not a big deal. And it's almost there. Alright, shut it off. I went over a little bit, but it's not going to make a huge difference. But that's pretty much it. It's fully charged now. So that is it. Now we're just going to go through our normal checkup. But that's pretty much it, y'all. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. See you on the next one.